Hi guys, so today we're gonna be opening dumplings. Kasama ko yung anak ko si Kikay. At excited si Kikay. Tignan mo naman siya. Kikay, wag mo gano! Okay. Ano gusto mo buksan, Kikay? Ito. Buksan natin. Close mo yung mata mo. Dumpling. Okay lang yan. Okay. Ano ulit gusto mo open? Ito? Okay. So, let's open it. Close your eyes. Purple dumpling ulit. Okay. Ano ulit gusto mo open? Kita. Ito. Okay. This is the last one. Oh! Blue! Di pa natin yung nabubuksan. Do you like this one, Kita? The blue one. Do you like it? Okay. For the moment of truth, let's see if this is the glittered dumpling. Okay, close your eyes, Kikay. Close your eyes. You will scream if it's the glitter dumpling. And Mommy will scream. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, it's the glitter dumpling! It's the glitter dumpling. Kikay!